Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitch tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitch profile picture on your phone. So I've gotten lots of questions about this and it's actually not possible to do it in the Twitch app. So all you need to do is go to twitch.tv in your browser and I'll have all the links and a detailed write-up in the description, so if you get lost you can follow along there. Once twitch.tv loads, it'll probably load the mobile site, so it'll look like this. We need to change it to the desktop site. And we do that by selecting the little three dots right here in the top right corner, and then going to switch to desktop mode. You want to make sure you select open with Chrome because it'll try to open that in the Twitch app. Once it opens it up, all you need to do is zoom in and go to the top right. Make sure you're logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Now that we're logged in on our browser, all we need to zoom in, go into the top right corner, select the little drop down next to the user profile picture, scroll down until you see settings. And then once the settings load, you'll see right up here in the top, the first option is going to be profile picture. All you need to do is select update, then kind of move your screen over until you see upload a picture, select the little plus symbol. And then as you can see, you can add images using a camera. So you can use the camera on your phone. You can also browse files on your phone, but it'll also show you any pictures you have on your phone. So I'm going to select my new profile picture as these bananas, then select done. It shows you a quick example of what it's going to look like. Then all you need to do is scroll to the bottom and select update. Alright, so as you can see, the profile picture has been changed to a banana for the Gauging Gadgets channel. You don't have to do anything else. You have changed your profile picture on your mobile phone. Now as you can see here in the mobile app, my profile picture is showing as a bunch of bananas. So that's how you change your Twitch profile picture on your mobile phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitch tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.